Hi guys, let's make some buffalo sauce today. This quick and easy sauce works great for spicing up your dishes. All you need is just few simple ingredients. Here I have all my ingredients. I have some unsalted butter, some hot sauce. You specifically need Frank's original red hot sauce. If you use anything else, that's not gonna be buffalo sauce. I have some cayenne pepper here and some Worcestershire sauce. That's all we need. Let's move to the stove now. Over medium heat, I'm gonna melt butter. So all I'm gonna do is see it gently melt. I thought I can stay still and watch it gently melt, but it seems like a difficult job, so I'm just poking it with a knife, although it's not necessary at all. Bad habit. Butter has melted now. I'm gonna add the first ingredients, which is Frank's hot sauce. A quick stir just to mix sauce with butter. That's it. And now I'm gonna add Worcestershire sauce. And now I'm gonna add cayenne pepper. That's all actually. All I have to do now is give it a stir so that everything is combined, and then I'll wait for it to come to a boil, which happens very quickly, within a minute or so. Once I see bubbles forming on the sides, I'm gonna keep it in the stove for a few more seconds so that the sauce thickens up. Couple of stirs at this point will ensure that butter mixes with all the ingredients very well, and that will give you a silky smooth sauce. If you observe closely, you'll see that the dark tone from the sauce is gradually disappearing, which means butter is incorporating with the sauce very well. And once you don't see any more dark shade in the sauce and it's all one tone, you'll know that your sauce is done, which for my case is now. So I'm gonna move it from the stove. I'm gonna pour the sauce in a clean, sterilized jar. This sauce stays very well in the refrigerator for at least a month. Whenever you need it, just heat it up in the microwave for just few seconds and it's good to go. Spice up your wings or put it in your spaghetti. The choice is all yours. If you liked the recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming recipes. If you need a printable version of the ingredients list, please visit our blog www.boobliesworldcuisine.com. Thank you all for watching.